Hello everyone, I am James and you are watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel. As nowadays we are getting almost all the circular speakers, everything in market, local market as well as online. I thought of making a sound bar, a slimmest sound bar which would suit my interior, that is the TV unit, etc. Watch the video till the end. Kindly hit the like icon if you like the video, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. So now let's continue with the process of making a slim soundbar. So as I am prepared, I am making a 3 feet wide soundbar, 3 feet wide and 3 inches depth, 3 centimeters thickness. So for that first I need 3 inches 2 pieces. Let me mark here. So we need to cut it for 3 inches. I need 3 inches 2 pieces and inch by 3 feet 2 pieces, that is 3 inch by 36 inch 2 pieces, 3 inch by 3 centimeters 2 pieces. I'll make a groove to fix the speakers. Now I have finished cutting the angle of all the 4 sides of the soundbar. Now what I need to do is, we have finished cutting for center speakers, that is woofers. Now I need to cut for the front speakers, front firing speakers. Let us cut for fixing the display, this display. Let me mark it and cut it. Before fixing these two flat speakers onto the front panel, front cover of the soundbar, I need to solder the terminals. So take this kind of connector. As we have two speakers, so I will take 4. Now, as you can see, the epoxy adhesive is dried up, has dried up. Here you see both the speakers. This one as well. Both the speakers. Epoxy adhesive is dried up. So now we will fix it on the panels. As you can see, now I have fixed both the speakers this, and on the other side. This one. So I'll allow it, I'll keep it for drying, and later on, after it's completely dried, then we can continue with the connection. Now let us fix these woofers. These two woofers. For creating boss reflex ports, I'm going to use these elbows. After drilling the holes, we can see we need to fix it in this way. Fixes perfectly. So if any gap, we will seal it with a silicone sealant. What I'll do is I'll take these vinyl stickers and stick them here. Adjust this. What I'll do is I'll fill the sides with this silicone glue. I need to fix this power socket. I made a hole here. Now fix this. Wasn't it? By the time the box dries, we will prepare the circuit. This is the Bluetooth device with display, and this is the amplifier board. So, and these are the regulators, that is 9 volt and 12 volt, 9 volt and 5 volt regulators. So we'll connect these. So we'll start the circuit now. For this, actually, as this board will be very lengthy, very high, the height of this board is good, it's done more. So I will remove the display from the board and fix it independently. After that, I'll solder a connector here. So we'll keep this aside. I'll resolder the display. Now take this connector, just break it after 6x. Okay, now fix this here. This way. Okay, solder it. Soldering the display terminals. So I'll just shrink the tubes. Okay, it's done. Now we will solder the PCB side. Here, this one, this. As you know, the display was mounted this side here, this way. So we have to solder the cables in this way, wires in this way. So I'll fix these here. I mean, see, one is 7809 and one is 7805. As you see here, this is the connector for power supply of to this Bluetooth board. So I have soldered it here to this regulator. You might be thinking why I am using, you see, one regulator this side, one regulator on this side, because so as to balance the weight and the air inside the box, this soundbar box. So I have fixed one here and one here. I can't fix them both on one side and the weight will be decreased on the other side. So to balance the weight and the sound quality of speakers on both the sides, I have fixed one here and one here. So now for this input to this, output of this regulator goes to the input of the 7805. Actually, this board has USB input as well as aux input, etc. So these are the this connector is for connecting the USB board, and here we can connect audio output, then the key matrix. I am not fixing any of these, and these the for IR sensor. On the top here you can see this is the auxiliary input connector, but presently I am using this board only for Bluetooth, connecting only via Bluetooth. This soundbar presently, as it is a prototype, I am using it only for connecting the Bluetooth. If we want, we can configure it and connect it to the USB port as well, but presently as I am not using, I am going to use only these three. So I am going to cut these cables and remove these cables. I have not cut it, but better I will remove them later. I can use them if I want to. The power supply for this project, for this soundbar, is minimum of 12 volts. That is, the amplifier board requires 8 volts to 24 volts and the logic board requires 5 volts. So what I have done is, I have bought this SMPS, that is 12 volts 3 ampere SMPS power supply. So for amplifier, sound amplifier, the 12 volt will be connected directly, and for logic board I have stepped it down by using regulators. So check the voltage of this adapter first. Center positive, side negative, 12 volts, good. Now I'll switch it on. It says Bluetooth mode. Here it's already clear. Let me switch on. It's not paired with my device, so that you can see. So I'll decrease the volume first. I want to reconfigure 3.0 BT. Now it is paired, so I need to keep something down here. So now I will start with dressing the cables and completing with the pass reflex port, etc. I'll turn it off. If I do not turn this off, the amplifier board will be switched on because I have not connected any of the relays here. This is a simple sound bar which I am creating. Later on I will try to do some more speaker boxes, etc. After listening to the quality, I thought I will install one more amplifier, that is one amplifier 15 plus 15 watts amplifier for these two speakers and one more amplifier for these two speakers. So I will connect this amplifier as well. So this will be connected, input will be connected in parallel. The output from which comes from the logic board will be connected directly to these two boards parallelly. So I'll continue. Let me connect this amplifier as well. I will connect these two amplifiers in this way here. As you can see, plus of the power supply, minus are same for both the boards. Plus minus, and this is the input. So I will solder them in this way here. So this will be 60 watts amplifier. You can see this is inside the speaker box or a sound bar. Just remove these stickers, remove these. Now, as I need to fix the top cover, these partitions, they are not on levels, they are not straight, they are not, some places they are above the level and some places they are inside. So I need to grind them to the equal surface, then I will cover the top cover. After grinding all the walls, all the partitions, so now I will continue sealing up. What I will do is I will use this vinyl sticker for covering these reflex boards. Then I will fix the top cover. I will cover whole thing with the silicone and masking tape. I will use this masking tape and the silicone for covering whole of the speaker box, whole of the soundbar. Then I will fix the top cover. Now I will cover the whole speaker with this masking tape. By the time the silicone dries up, I will prepare this stand for this speaker soundbar. After cutting and grinding, I have these two pipes or stands for the speaker. Now we will connect it in this way here. See here in this way. First of all, I will remove these stickers which I had put. This project is a prototype, that is, this is the first Bluetooth speaker I am making. So maybe in future I'll come up with some more speakers. Presently in this case I have not made any pre-plan or nothing, no designing, no calculation, nothing. I just made a simple slimmest sound bar. Regarding the sound quality of this sound bar, I would like to say that the mids and highs are very good. It's good, not so bad. Compared to the own homemade speakers, it is not so bad. It's very good. Only thing concern is the bass. The low frequencies are not so good. So to get low frequency, we can make one more subwoofer and match it with this soundbar. So we can say that we can create a 2.1 sound system, including this soundbar. And I would also say that I have made this soundbar using foam 5mm foam sheets. So in your case, if it is feasible for you and if you would like to go for, you can go for a material that is made up of wood. You can go for particle board, plywood or any other sort of wooden material, and you can make the speaker so that the sound quality will be very good. I chose foam sheet because this is the first speaker I have made, and I just wanted to do some experiments whether I can make a sound bar at home or no. So as this project is successful, so in future I'll come up with few more of the speakers, different design speakers. Maybe not so soon, but later maybe. It may take some time to start up with, but in those videos I'll try to do the videos, I'll try to make the speakers with professional quality and with the dimensions, with all the calculation for the boxes, speaker box, the speaker size, the bass reflex port, the bass reflex port size and port length, etc. Hope this video was helpful for you, is going to be helpful for you in making your own soundbar, slim soundbar, soundbar that matches your interiors And you can, as you saw that this soundbar I have kept it white itself. The foam sheet, the color of foam sheet was white, and I have continued it with the same color. If you wish, you can paint it, spray paint it. You just cover the speakers and spray paint it to your favorite, to your taste, as per your taste and your interiors. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in making your own soundbar. And if this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.